we're going to be showing you how to install and uninstall a FosTecH Tomahawk Stock. First, you want to take your adjustment tab, and depress it, and then grab the rear of it and pull that down. And you'll know if you're far enough or not by this pin in the slot. It'll be at the bottom. So, once you have the rear pulled down, slide it over your buffer tube and release. The FosTecH Tomahawk Stock does have a really good anti-rotation tab inside of it. So if you have any troubles installing it onto your buffer tube, such as it may get stuck even before the first click there, it may get stuck here and you can't get it to go when you pull this tab down, simply have that tab down and just give it a smack and it should get you over that hump and install. To uninstall this, you'll depress here, pull the rear down, and remove it. And that is how you install and uninstall a FosTecH Tomahawk Stock.